We are with Citrus Carpet Cleaning in Houston, Georgia this morning. It's about 10 after 9. This is a repeat customer, probably the last 5 years. They used to have their other rental. I thought they bought this house, but this was a rental. So I was surprised when I got here and they were moved out. But they bought a house, so they're moving for quote unquote permanently, I guess. So there's a couple pee spots because they have a couple little dogs. So there are 4 bedrooms. 3 of the bedrooms are in really good shape. And the hallway, they have little bitty dogs. I think you see little bitty spots. They're about the size of a dollar bill, if that. So we got the 4 bedrooms, the hallway and the stairs, so it's 6 areas. As you know or may not know, we have forever pricing, which they qualify for. Again, because they've been our customer, I have to look, but it's probably been more than 5 years. No, it's been probably about 8. So it's a flat rate of $40 per area. So it's going to be 6 areas for $240. As you can see, it's 10 o'clock. It took us about 45 minutes to do this job. The repeat customers are usually easier because if they have spots or heavily sold areas, because of the product we use, they're usually much easier to get out and don't take as much time as if they've got tons of soapy products on it, which is we do find for 99% of our new customers, but that's just because of lack of knowledge. Even when we educate or re-educate our customers about what not to use in the carpet, sometimes they'll resort to something soapy because that's what they have, or that's what they can find, or that's what's available. So soapy products give us the most problems, but we try to teach them to use non-soapy products to prevent the issues that we typically run into with the soapy products, which is resoiling, heavily sold areas, dark discolored carpet from the residue. Obviously using the analogy that if you think shampoo and soap is good for your carpet, next time you shampoo your hair, don't rinse, and see how well that works. Oftentimes that creates a big light bulb and people realize why they're having these problems, and they're cleaning up after their own spot cleaners. Spots may go away for a while and they come back for, a couple weeks, few months later because of that residue. Same stuff that gets caught in the HVAC hits the carpet, sticks and stays because the residue, and a lot of people think it's a quote-unquote reappearing spot, where it's just basically a soapy, sticky area attracting new dust, dirt, and debris. So like I said, this is about a 1 hour job. I use probably half a gallon, maybe a gallon of cleaner. Again, makes a big difference when we've been here before. $240. The screenshot you're going to see is $255 because of the credit card charge. They usually pay by credit card, but we've got ways for them to avoid that if they so choose. We do give exactaments. There's no upsells or per spot fees, things of that nature. We give what we call exactaments. If you're charged more than your exactament, your carpet cleaning is free. So we're not like your typical carpet cleaner. And if you're interested in getting in the carpet cleaning business and out of the rat race and creating your own schedule and your own income, give us a call, 770-652-0630, or on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. Thank you, and as always, take care and be kind.